Hello and welcome guys to the Spartan Tech, and today we're unboxing the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 2. It's a soundbar but not a TV soundbar. Make that sure guys, because it does not come in a lot of features and connectivity and stuff. So let's get straight into the box. So first we find the remote controller, auxiliary cable and a USB cable. Not that good quality. I've already unboxed the box, so let's get straight to the soundbar. So here is the soundbar itself. Let's take it out. It's heavy and build quality feels nice. At this price point, you do not expect anything to be this heavy. It's kind of great. The sound signature is also pretty well, but can get a little distorting after you take it on to its full extent. You don't get much of an accessibility here. Some standard ports and stuff. Let's power it on.
Bluetooth mode.
You know, let's just shuffle to the FM.
FM mode. How low can you go?
Hear it for yourself. I think you cannot make much of it by just listening through your phone speakers. But they are pretty loud and they can easily fill a room with their audio. It's like धमाका कर देते हैं.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to
This is the original sound signature. If you can hear my voice right now,
I don't wanna miss a beat.
at max volume.
And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
They're quite good. The driver is kind of great. I don't know how they managed to put this much great speakers for a price bracket of like 2500. I didn't expect them to sound this great. They have FM as well. One thing I want to make sure you know this, the output via the auxiliary cable is not that great. The Bluetooth works beautifully, but the aux does not work good. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Peace.